those was mine. Come, come on up, come on up, come on. Hey. And didn't our young people do a wonderful job? Then we'll go first.
Good afternoon, church.
Good afternoon.
Okay, I will be presenting this to Sister Allen. First Lady Allen, on behalf of True Light Worship Center, we appreciate and thank you for standing by Pastor Allen and this ministry. Good afternoon, everyone. And I am presenting this to First Lady Desiree Bennett. We would like to thank you for just standing behind our pastor and being there for us as we needed. And on behalf of our ministry, we present this to you.